One of the frequently asked questions that we get is, what is my responsibility as a homeowner and what is the utility company responsible for? And the utility company meaning Encore or CenterPoint Energy that, are out there that own the power lines. Now, in order to understand that, you need to understand the two systems that are on the outside of your home. So one of the systems is called the main electrical service. The second system, it's all part of the same system, would be the main electrical panel. So let me point out a couple of things here. So one, what you're going to see here is what we would call an overhead service. This is going to be when you have a pipe that comes out of the top of your meter that basically goes up, and it could either go through the roof or just up the side of your house. So what you're going to see here is what they call a point of attachment. This will be on your side of your home. You'll have a wire that comes from the utility company that attaches to here. That wire is actually the responsibility of the utility company. Everything else is going to be homeowner responsibility. So the wires that actually go down the pipe, the little cap that you see up here, the conduit itself, the meter can, all of this stuff here is actually going to be homeowner responsibility. The second system that you're going to see in your house is the main electrical panel that we talked about. Everything in here, including the box, all the breakers, the wire that actually goes from here into the meter box, all of that is also customer responsibility. So the opposite of the overhead service is going to be an underground service. This is going to be a good example of what the underground service is. And that's going to consist of the meter enclosure, whereas you would see the glass meter here. And then you've got a conduit or PVC pipe, could be other steel pipe that is going to go into the ground and over to the utility company. Depending on where you're at and what utility company that you have, this conduit with the wiring could actually be your responsibility. In the Dallas area, Dallas-Fort Worth area with Encore, about 80% of it is going to be utility owned. About 20% would be owned by the customer. Whereas in the Houston area, 100% of what you will see, this conduit that goes underground, upwards of sometimes more than 100 foot, would be customer responsibility.